English Galician future. I will go.
Irei.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, welcome. Today you'll crack the Galician future of to go and keep it fun. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly guide to real-life language adventures. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources, transcripts, and drills. By the end, you'll confidently say,
Irei. Te irás. Él irá. Ella irá. Iremos. Iredes. Ellos irán.
and calm your inner tech support with,
Funcionará.
let's go. Your goal today. You'll master the future forms of to go, plus one handy lifesaver phrase. I will go.
Irei.
You will go, singular.
Te irás.
He will go.
Él irá.
She will go.
Ella irá.
It will work.
Funcionará.
We will go.
Iremos.
You will go, plural.
Iredes.
They will go.
Ellos irán.
Tip. If your plan sounds wobbly, whisper.
Funcionará.
With a heroic thumbs up. Call and response drill. Say it out loud, your future self will thank you. Repeat after me. I will go.
Irei.
You, sing, will go.
Te irás.
He will go.
Él irá.
She will go.
Ella irá.
We will go.
Iremos.
You, plural, will go.
Iredes.
They will go.
Ellos irán.
Reassure yourself. It will work.
Funcionará.
Mini dialogue. Listen to this friendly plan. The future looks bright. A. Tomorrow, are you coming to the beach? B. Yes, I promise.
Irei.
A. Great. If the sun shows up, you, SG.
Te irás.
Early, right? B. Deal. And he said.
Él irá.
She texted that.
Ella irá.
2. A. Perfect.
Iremos.
Together, and later you all.
Iredes.
For ice cream. B. The others confirmed.
Ellos irán.
By bus. Don't worry, the plan.
Funcionará.
Culture tip. Camino motivation. Picture the Camino de Santiago, steps, friends, and future plans. On the trail, you'll hear confidence in simple phrases, at dawn.
Iremos.
If it rains.
Te irás.
By bus and catch up later. The group spirit shines.
Ellos irán.
To the next village, save a table. And when the weather app lies, everyone grins.
Funcionará.
Quote. Keep it light, keep it moving. Speed quiz. Quick reflexes, big gains, say the answer after the pause. Translate to Galician. We will go. Answer.
Iremos.
Translate to Galician. She will go. Answer.
Ella irá.
Translate to Galician. You will go, plural. Answer.
Iredes.
Translate to Galician. They will go. Answer.
Ellos irán.
Translate to Galician. It will work. Answer.
Funcionará.
Translate to Galician. I will go. Answer.
Irei.
Translate to Galician, he will go. Answer.
Él irá.
Translate to Galician, you will go, sing. Answer.
Te irás.
Challenge round. Build a tiny future plan using all forms, yes, all 8. Your task. Say a mini plan that includes
Irei. Te irás. Él irá. Ella irá. Iremos. Iredes. Ellos irán.
and.
Funcionará.
Model you can echo. Tomorrow.
Irei.
Early.
Te irás.
After coffee.
Él irá.
With snacks.
Ella irá.
With tickets.
Iremos.
Together at noon, then.
Iredes.
Explore the old town.
Ellos irán.
Meet us for dinner and trust me.
Funcionará.
Exclamation mark quote. Wrap up. You did great, future unlocked. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing these future forms out loud, and drop them into your day whenever you plan something.
Irei. Te irás. Él irá. Ella irá. Iremos. Iredes. Ellos irán. Funcionará.
This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, games, and culture bites. See you next time.